Welcome to Badge 3, AI Prompt Designer. This badge will equip you with the skills needed to craft effective AI prompts, design AI personas, and understand the principles of human-machine communication. By the end of this badge, you'll have the tools to maximize AI's potential in solving real-world challenges. Course structure. The course is divided into 2 engaging sessions focused on prompt engineering and communication strategies with AI. These sessions include the following lessons. Lesson 10, Personas and Custom Instructions. Lesson 11, The Transformation of the Human-Machine Communication Protocol. Lesson 12, The Art of Prompting. Lesson 13, The Key Components of an Effective Prompt. Lesson 14, The Effective Prompting Framework. Following this structure will provide deep insights into building effective prompts. Learning objectives. By the end of this course, you will analyze the role of personas and custom instructions in tailoring AI behavior to meet specific user needs. Evaluate the evolution of human-machine communication protocols and their impact on AI interactions. Develop advanced prompting techniques to enhance AI responses and outcomes. Identify and integrate the essential components of an effective AI prompt. Apply a structured framework to design prompts that optimize AI performance. This badge is perfect for professionals across industries offering practical knowledge to enhance workplace performance. Students from any academic background bridging theory and practice to prepare for the future. Corporates, a tailored course for organizations to upskill teams and develop AI strategies. This badge requires 3 hours of active engagement, including lessons, videos, readings, and assessments. To fully absorb the material, plan for an additional 3 hours of reflection and analysis, making the total time commitment approximately 6 hours.